Lionel produced 4 cars which reversed direction when hitting an object. With the reversal of direction, an object rotated: a passenger, a sign, a firefighter, or a pantograph. The gang car, introduced in 1954, was exceedingly popular, and you find many offers in eBay. It is a fantasy product, and the closest resemblance is a railway motor car, also called speeder, as shown here. It was not really fast, but faster than a handcar. The fire car is another fantasy product introduced in 1958. When reversing direction, the chair with the firefighter holding his gun rotates to the other side. Like the other cars of that series, the bumper is pushed in when hitting an object, and that mechanically reverses the motor and rotates the object, in this case the firefighter. As you will see, one can also let 2 reverse cars run against each other. The maintenance car could be used to maintain the overhead contact line. It had a sign on top which reads "Safety first" on one side and "Danger" on the other. The sign rotates when the car reverses direction. I don't believe that it existed in reality in that form as a motorized unit. The Lionel Rapid Transit Trolley is a model of the Bernet safety car developed by Charles Bernet and Joseph Rosenberry around 1915, and the original was produced into the 1920s. It had a safety door which means that the car could not move when the door was open, and the deadman control, which stopped the car when the control handle was released. The Lionel model reversed direction of movement and the direction of the pantograph when hitting an object. It was also quite popular and was catalogued until 1966.